How to change a drive belt like a pro. Subscribe for more videos. Drive belts, also known as serpentine belts, are an important component in the functioning of a vehicle's engine. They transfer power from the crankshaft to various engine accessories such as the alternator, power steering pump, and air conditioning compressor. Over time, drive belts can become worn or loose and need to be replaced. Here's a step-by-step guide for changing a drive belt like a pro. Locate the drive belt. The drive belt is typically located at the front of the engine and is easy to spot. It is a long, thin belt that runs around several pulleys. Identify the drive belt routing diagram. Consult your vehicle's owner's manual or a repair manual to locate the drive belt routing diagram. This diagram will show the correct routing of the belt around the pulleys. Loosen the tensioner pulley. The tensioner pulley is a pulley that maintains tension on the drive belt. To loosen the tension, use a wrench or a socket and ratchet to rotate the tensioner pulley in a counterclockwise direction. Remove the old drive belt. Once the tension is released, remove the old drive belt by carefully slipping it off the pulleys. Inspect the pulleys for any signs of wear or damage. Install the new drive belt. Place the new drive belt around the pulleys according to the routing diagram. Make sure the belt is properly aligned on the pulleys and that there are no twists or kinks in the belt. Tighten the tensioner pulley. Use the wrench or socket and ratchet to rotate the tensioner pulley in a clockwise direction. This will apply tension to the new drive belt. Check for proper tension and alignment. Make sure that the new drive belt is properly tensioned and that it is aligned correctly on the pulleys. The belt should be tight enough that it does not slip or squeal, but not so tight that it causes undue wear on the pulleys. Start the engine and check for proper operation. Start the engine and hold it for a few minutes. Check that all the engine accessories that the drive belt powers, such as the alternator, power steering pump, and air conditioning compressor, are operating correctly. Finish up and dispose the old belt. Double check everything, tighten the bolts if needed, and properly dispose the old belt. It's important to note that not all vehicles are the same and the steps may vary depending on the specific make and model of the vehicle. It is always recommended to consult the vehicle's owner's manual or repair manual for specific instructions. It is also highly recommended to check the belt tension and alignment periodically to ensure that the drive belt is in good working condition. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.